Today we have nude kind of makeup situation going on here. I created this makeup look in less than 20 minutes. I'm actually heading out somewhere and I'm so glad you guys that I decided to film this look. Now let's create this beautiful look together. So I want to show you how I do my makeup normally when I go out and not only for the camera. For the foundation, this is Charlotte Tilbury and this is what I swear by. Just to let you know, I already prepped my face with my favorite products, which I've shared multiple times on my other videos. And for the concealer, I know for sure that this concealer won't budge and doesn't give you that creases and things like that. So I'm going to use this one. This is from Bare Minerals and I'm using Beauty Blender to blend this out. To set my under eye, I'm using this Jaclyn Hill Pressed Brightening Powder in shade Correcting Fair. I don't heavily contour my face whenever I have to go out because I don't like how it makes it look. So I'm just going in with this powder bronzer from Vizart, which is the lightest shade. Just a little bit is good for me. For the blush, I'm going in with this Sephora Long Lasting in shade Date Night. Just a little bit. Whenever I go out, I prefer to do makeup like way too less than what I normally do in front of the camera, because less is more for me. I kind of want to look natural, but at the same time, a little glammed up, if you know what I mean. For the highlighter, my favorite from Stellar Beauty. This highlighter literally does not look chalky at all. Perfect if you want that natural glow. Now for the eyeshadow, since I'm doing brown smoky, I'm going to use this bronzer that I used on my face all over my lid. Now I'm going to use this Morphe Jaclyn palette. I love this whenever I'm doing smoky eye. This has the perfect brown color that I need for my smoky eye. Adding that color right here on my lid. And I'm just blending it out with a bigger brush. This is how it's looking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add this long wear gel eyeliner from Girl Lactic in shade Pure Brown. You guys, if you still haven't tried this brown gel liner, then I think you're missing out. Now I'm adding the same gel liner on my upper lash line. Without this gel liner, I seriously cannot pull this kind of smoked eyeshadow. Now for the mascara, I'm gonna be using this Too Faced Better Than Sex newly released mascara. It's in color brown. Everybody is using it. Went ahead and added a black mascara because it was not showing up. So I'm adding this Mora Cosmetics eyeshadow topper in shade Breakaway. Just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks perfect. I'm not gonna add lashes today, but this eye makeup look is everything. For the lip also, I'm going for nude. So here we go. My best buddy BFF3 from ColourPop Cosmetics. And for the lipstick, my newfound favorite from P. Louise, Perfect Pout in shade Semi-Nude. And that's it for the look, you guys. Now I'm gonna go put some jewelry on, do my hair, and then be back. I just simply curled my hair, added this beautiful, my most favorite earpieces, and these little bangles. Now it's your time to rate this gorgeous look 1 out of 10 in the comment section below.
Doing crazy dreaming. don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause I
next
don't
to
give
me.
a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.